Samtec is a connectors and cables provider for applications involving weapons, munitions, and ordnance. Those applications require very strong electrical performances, high robustness from a mechanical standpoint, as well as radiation tolerance, as well as being able to produce high volume components at economical price points in the commercial market. Samtec can provide both RF and digital solutions for applications including GPS guidance, jamming, spoofing, electronic countermeasures, inertial guidance, avionics controls, as well as for AI processors that require digital high-speed traffic. Samtec is a premier provider of solutions for the weapons, munitions, and ordnance markets.